In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account ID. This is the unique identifier that many services refer to as your merchant ID. It's often needed when you're setting up online payments, connecting PayPal to a website, or verifying your account with a third party. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to copy it safely. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Then log into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should land on your PayPal dashboard or account summary page. This is the main page where you see your balance, recent activity, and other account information. Make sure you're on this main dashboard before moving on. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon and near it, a small gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your settings. It's usually placed right next to the option you use to log out. Click on that gear icon to open your account settings. When the settings page loads, you'll see several sections related to your personal information, security, and account preferences. Here, focus on the area labeled Account Options, or anything similar that refers to account details. This is where PayPal stores key identifiers related to your profile. Within this Account Options section, you want to look for something called Merchant ID. Different account types might show slightly different layouts, but the wording Merchant ID should be visible somewhere in that section. It might be alongside other information like your account type or business details if you're using a business account. Right below the label Merchant ID, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That string is your PayPal account ID. This is the ID that many platforms will ask you for when they need to identify your PayPal account without using your email address. To use it, simply highlight that merchant ID, right-click, and copy it. You can then paste it wherever it's needed. Be mindful that this is sensitive information, so only share it with trusted services or platforms that clearly require it for payments or integration purposes. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening settings with the gear icon, finding the account options section, and locating the merchant ID, you've successfully found your PayPal account ID.